Okay, hello everyone. This is going to be a tutorial on renaming, copying, and moving files in MyCloud. So we just want to go to MyCloud, and so since we know the web address, we don't have to do a Google search or anything, just mycloud.com. And we're there, and we can go ahead and log in. And I've created an account with a test user. This is a view that most of you will have. I know that Katrina, Shonda, Matthew, Gregory, um, all have, Glenn, all have views of multiple clients. And so it would look similar to this for some of you would just have these two individuals along with a public folder. You would have yourself and your SEP field user and SEP services folder. In this case, we're looking at community work services folder right now, and there are scans inside this folder. So for this demonstration, we're simply going to pick any one of these files and we're going to manipulate it within iCloud. So we're not going to edit the file or anything. We're just going to, in this case, highlight the file. We're going to right mouse click and select copy. Okay, once you copy, it's going to ask you where would you like to place the file. At this point, you could pick anywhere that you would want to place the file. In this case, I'm going to place the file inside my test user folder. There it is. I'm going to say OK. And so in my folder, I should now have this file. Not exactly sure what this file is. I don't want to open it. It doesn't matter. But let's say I wanted to rename the file, and you could have renamed the file before you move it. But I'm just going through these processes so as not to create any problems with your existing files that you've taken the time to scan. So what we're going to do is we're going to, again, do not click on the file name. Click here. The file becomes highlighted. We will right mouse click and select rename. Notice the portion of the file that needs to be renamed, and only that portion of the file has been highlighted. At this point, you need to do nothing more than to type the name that you'd like to give this document. And in this case, we're going to give it Thomas Davis Report. And we click away. Your file's now been renamed. Now, to avoid multiple copies of files, if I needed to, at this time, move this file to another folder, I don't have to do any deleting or anything. I can simply move it. So once again, I'm going to highlight the file. I'm going to right mouse click, and this time I'm going to select move. And I'm going to move the file to, let's say, the CPP field user folder under their completed forms folder. And so I say, okay. That file is now gone. As you see, it's gone. But if we go to the CPP field user in the completed forms, there's the file. So if you needed to delete a file, you would want to highlight just that file, right mouse click, and select delete. And confirm the deletion. That file is gone. What you don't want to do is if you have a file in your scans folder and you want to get rid of it, if you delete here and you say delete, you're going to delete the entire folder and all of its contents. They are gone. So you don't want to make that mistake. Make sure you go into the folder of interest and you select only the file or files. If you hold the control key down, you can select multiple files, or you can select a single file with a single mouse click, or you can highlight files. However you do it in Windows, it's pretty much so the same thing here. This is just giving you a web-based version of your Windows, and so that is copying, moving, deleting, and renaming files in the iCloud. And as always, once you finish with your cloud session, close it out. And that's the end of that video. Thanks. Bye.